This is an orangutan, and here he is moving through the rainforest canopy, at least for the purposes of this experiment at the University of Birmingham. These parkour experts have been told to move like a monkey on a course designed to mimic the treetops, to help researchers understand the movement of the real thing.
It's something I'm quite used to doing anyway. I like reenacting things I see gibbons do in trees. So when we're in here, I use lots of laches, which is swinging on things, and moving animalistically.
So this course will help us answer all sorts of questions. I mean, one of the major ones is how can a big animal like an orangutan move through the forest canopy so easily, using a lot of energy, while it's eating things like, well, fruit, insects and bark?
It is mysterious. We know a lot about how orangutans move around, the types of locomotion that they use, but they are so big and the branches are flexible that they're moving on. So this is an incredibly demanding habitat, and we don't know anything about the actual energy that they need to use to move around that habitat.
And to measure that energy, the runners wear this mask and backpack.
So we're putting them through their paces, doing lots of different activities, varying those activities and seeing how much energy they're using in doing them. Now that translates into orangutans, for example, by saying, well, if their habitat is changing, how much energy are they using in different environments? Is that affecting how much energy? Are they using more? Is that going to put more strain on the amount of food they've got to find to survive?
And the habitat of orangutans is certainly changing. This research could help conservation efforts, but why not use real orangutans?
Why? Because they have to wear the mask, as you've seen, and I've never met an orangutan that was going to volunteer to do that.
These guys are a bit more amenable. David Gregory, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.